Hey everybody. So remember this guy? This guy, he doesn't have flags anymore because I took the flags down in fear that some, somebody might get offended by it or something because it was a Confederate and Texan flag. So yeah, there you have it. But that's not what I wanted to show you today. See that thing right back there? It's a light. It's really bright too. If you wonder where I'm at right now, I'm in the bathroom because it's an area without windows. And when it turns off the light in here, with the door closed, it gets really dark. Which is great to show off a bright light like this. And if you turn on the light, you can somewhat see it, but it's even brighter when you turn off the lights. Want you to look at that? It's bright. Kind of looks weird, but you get the idea, right? Yeah. And this is the first car I've ever shown off on my YouTube channel. And I've shown to all my viewers. And what's cool about this light is the fact that it's LED, so it's really bright. And so yeah, there you have it. So smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See ya.